Not be bad person, yo. But now that Igbo they use her. If she don't smoke Morocco, sellers can just they talk normal like this for phone. She don't tie one rap. Don't forget. And then what feel we would know. She'll begin to talk anyhow. I want to tell that video. That's what happened. I'll shake my head. I say, no, shake it everywhere. Good, carry on. Meanwhile, they smoke my bottle light. Una way they come at if they smoke Morocco. Thank God, say, una see and say, if you now still let's use the matter to talk as if we are seeing Morocco, why I don't feel smoke Morocco for my life. You see that my bottle light where they smoke? It's very okay for me. Still less than because of my borrow light that they collect now my children they with their papa. But because of Igbo, government collect your children and still less you dare come out and talk. Open mouth to me is the Olivier will pass you. You that we are living in the street for very long time. Where Oyibo carry put for heart. Not be only Igbo you they smoke. You don't see they eat it more. I don't want to go too far. That may be best way beside the get reserve. Waiting you for them, your children there with their papa. My children not there with government too. And then they give my children money. I show una that day. No, Mr. Go come. This month will still end. 750 euro. I will still show una again. Since this one for this month. I've been paying it for a very long time. I was paying 900 and something euro before I started paying 700 and something euro. It's easy. You come out there and talk to me. Who are you? You wait, stainless will not fit take care of children wait there for Nigeria. I will go find stainless children picture come out. Stainless children wait there for Nigeria. I'll go find the come out. You wait nothing. You they talk to Vera say Vera and bullshit. Vera and this. You wait not fit take off your children for Nigeria. You not fit even take care of the one where you say you carry follow body enter desert. When this and government they help you to take off for the same city where you there. Not be say the children there with their papa. Oh. The children are government, then they take care of them. You still come out there and make noise. Now you they borrow money every day. What do they use the money to they do? You go ask this one for money. What it cost quarrel for you and one of my sister for Facebook? And they go Nigeria. What it cost quarrel for you and one of my sister for this Facebook will be your friend? Now borrow now. What do they use the money to they do? Do they borrow money to smoke Morocco? Why you're picking there with government for the city where you there? Why you're picking there with government for the city where you there? You know they even they contribute to that picking life, not to talk of the ones where you live for inside Tanzania for Nigeria. Even though say me I know they see my children for 2 years. I better pass you 100% because now the way their papa need them, their papa just want to pay me back because say I left him. And I tell him, I say someday I will tell him a story as everything they happen. The story of my life. Who come better pass for me and you? You go borrow money from ants, you go borrow money from elephants. You go no, ya said me me. Till today you know me go. I'll still tell you say, babe, you know as everything be. And they pay my children money. I don't get money to give anybody or to borrow person. We'll still rest on like that. I don't want to talk many things. We'll rest. You there for abroad. The only one picking where they will do for here, you know if you take off and a government they take off for you. You they do 4 hours job. Cleaning job what you they do. When I ask them what they use cleaning job money that they do. Instead, you go still they beg money, they borrow money, borrow me here, borrow me there. Everybody don't want to put. When I ask her what it cost quarrel between she and one of my sister. Borrow. I want to go Nigeria. Now borrow. Just because Otunioma Jeje, me I for tell they say I don't come back, I be stainless. Then she take carry house, come take the civil and say you both buy house for her. Whereas now you both put her for house. Not tell me say make I stop. I want ask una question now. Me wey be say my children dey with their papa. Na normal thing, of course. Because as we dey with the talk, so now me, na be Genevieve of truth. If my children even dey with me, I know if they wake up in the morning, they go work. It go hard. My children dey with their papa because their papa know they work. That's Euro system for you. And that is even the reason why they send us, you get them send us, okay, make the day with your papa. Because they say you are always working. You work in the morning. Even when me and the father of my children they live, now they take most care of my lovely children. Because I work. Even when we are together, now me they pay light bill. Now me they do everything.